everyone, so today I am going to be comparing the new Bloodlust Jeffree Star palette to all of the other Jeffree Star Cosmetics palettes in my collection. I don't have every single palette, but I have most of them. I have Blue Blood, Mini Breaker, Mini Controversy, Alien, Jawbreaker, the Conspiracy palette, and obviously the Bloodlust palette. A lot of people have said that, lots of these are in other palettes, and while I do think there will be similarities, I don't think there's going to be exact dupes. I have seen swatches, and I want to do my own swatches as well, just to see how things are. So this is what the palettes look like, all open and next to each other. As you guys can see, they all look very, very different. I'm basically going to be comparing the purple tones, but I might as well. Jeffree Star is my favorite brand, I want to say. It's a tie between Jeffree Star and ColourPop, which two very different ends of the spectrum, but I really do like the formulas, which is why I own all these palettes. I just got the Bloodlust palette, which I have done a unboxing of the collection, which was a mess, and I did swatches of the palette. Later today I will film a makeup tutorial if I can. But yeah, so these are all the palettes in their happiness. I'm gonna be honest, I have so many eyeshadow palettes that sometimes I don't use the ones I already own as much, which that's my bad. I need to start doing more. But yeah, basically I want to compare the Bloodlust palette to all the other palettes. Honestly, having them all laid out like this, yeah, I see like some similarities, but I don't see any super close ones. Like for instance, the shade Exposed is a completely different tone than like Deviant. And Blood Queen is completely different to any, Blood Queen and Controversy from Mini Controversy may actually be a little similar. I think that this is more like Barney Purple and this is a little bit less Barney Purple. Ooh, and Purple Punch as well. Oh, I'm gonna be excited to just show you those three shades. I am gonna also do close-ups of the shades that I'm comparing. Let's do this. So first I want to compare, I guess, Blood Queen to Purple Punch in the Mini Breaker palette and Controversy in the Mini Controversy palette. I do have stains on my arm from the liquid lipstick bundle, so, just ignore that. I'm gonna take Blood Queen. Mattes are always annoying to swatch. God, that looks horrible. I'm sure this palette works a lot better on the eyes. I didn't really think this through. Okay, so that is Blood Queen. Like I said, I will do close-ups of everything anyways. And then I'm going to put Purple Punch here and Controversy there, so. That is actually really close. Okay. Okay, yeah, you can see that one's a little bit different. Oh my god. There we go. This is what my fingers look like right now. So, there they are swatched. They literally look the exact same. I'm not gonna lie, those are like freaking identical. Okay, wow. Whoa, 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 whoa. So here are the shades close up. Purple Punch, Controversy, and Blood Queen. Okay, it's being cool tone. It's not a cool tone shadow. As you guys can see, these are like the exact same. That's actually really weird. Wow. All three of these look the exact same. If you have these palettes, swatch them and let me know if they're the exact same, because wow, those literally look the same. Just for the hell of it, I am going to swatch Area 51. It's not going to be the same at all, but So that's what Area 51 from the Alien palette looks like compared to the 3 other shades. Obviously, they're completely different tone difference, but I want to just put all the purples on here. I guess next I want to go to the Jawbreaker palette, and I think the shade Gumdrop looks most similar to the shade Vivid Mood, so I guess I'll swatch those two. The top is Vivid Mood, and the bottom is Gumdrop from the Jawbreaker palette. Obviously, these are very different in tone. I do want to, okay, if it would focus, I do want to swatch Scalding Water next to this one because it looks a little bit, no, it doesn't look similar to that at all, never mind. I'm gonna swatch Deviant with it. Basically, I'm gonna swatch Deviant with Exposed from Mini Controversy. Once again, none of these shades are similar. That is the one from Mini Controversy, and then the bottom is a Deviant. As you guys can see, there are no tone similars in here. It's pretty, but no similars. Honestly, going through these, there are no other similar colors in the new Bloodlust palette compared to the others at all. Like, honestly, like, I know people are like, oh my god, so many things are similar, but they're not. Like, seeing them laid out like this, you can tell that there are not that many similarities. I mean, basically the only dupe is the 2 other shades, the one from Mini Breaker and the one from the Mini Controversy palette. Like, these are the exact same, basically. But all the others are completely different, so I don't think that's bad, but I mean, I do wish these 3 were not the exact same, basically. Like, I would understand if tone difference was there, but there is no tone difference. This is basically the same shade. What do you guys think? Do you guys think that any other shades are comparable? Because I really don't. Like, I'm going through each one and I don't see any shades that are comparable at all. I mean, obviously, like, Jawbreaker has the same shade from the Mini Breaker, but I mean, besides that, there are no other close shades from the Bloodlust palette to the others. Like, I'm really trying to look, but I don't. Yeah, no, there are no other similar colors at all. So I definitely would think that Bloodlust is a palette that is unique. It's definitely more purple toned than any other palette. Do I wish there were more purple tones? Of course I do. I mean, I love purple, so I do wish that there was like just a purple palette, but I understand the different colors in this palette and it's gorgeous. I can't wait to put these on my eyes. I think that there are probably a few similar shades in the Blood Sugar palette to the Bloodlust palette, but unfortunately, I don't have the Blood Sugar palette. It just wasn't a palette that I ended up using, so I decluttered it a long time ago. But yeah, I mean, all these palettes, they don't really even have similarities. These are the only shades that have any similarities at all. So I am happy with the Bloodlust palette. Let me know down below what your favorite shades in the Jeffree Star palettes are. Obviously mine are the purples, so any purples I really, really like. If you haven't already, go look at my unboxing video and my swatch video of the Bloodlust collection. I am so excited to use this palette, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this comparison video. If you did, make sure you subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do. Go follow my Instagram, Makeup by TashaXO, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Meow, what's your problem? Chloe, what's your problem? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? What's wrong with you? Oh my goodness, what's wrong? What's wrong?
Be good. Don't step on my eyeshadow palettes.